Hi everyone, welcome back to another fresh episode of Tech Logged In. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome if you have Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10, you can enable dark mode in Google Chrome without any other app or theme installed from Google Web Store. Okay, to enable the dark mode, go to the notification panel. Go to all settings, or you can just simply press the start and go to settings. Okay, now when you have opened the settings, go to personalization. Now click on colors on the left hand side. Scroll down and you can see choose your default app mode. Click on dark. Okay, now before checking, let's click back to light and see if the Google Chrome is dark or not. As you can see, the Google Chrome is not in dark mode. So now let's choose the dark option. Now your whole Windows settings has turned in dark mode. Now let's open the Google Chrome and see if it has been enabled in dark mode or not. Google Chrome is now in dark mode. One thing you must note that not all websites will be in dark mode. For example, this website is not in dark mode. Another video will be coming on my channel showing how you can enable dark mode in almost all websites. So thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you.